TradeTheNBA.com. This is Sean's report is for the 9th of Monday, January. So Friday, pretty powerful. Big bump up. And, it's interesting because for the first time we had NBI White starting to take a strong lead, but Magenta not dipping below meant that we were likely to stay in the same range. And we just pushed outside of it. So I think the momentum of things just really escalated. Still trading sideways overall in general. Um, and again, strange with the uptick of orange, but look at the narrowing between DOC, cyan, and red, green. So there's going to be a crossover. In that particular point, I would think we would expect to see some kind of transitional move, but steady improvement from shakeout now in the positive territory. So all signs are, laid out for a bullish breakout from this configuration at this particular stage. This is what I keep getting from my lovely TSNQ chart not showing up there. Treasuries, again, everyone's still expecting the Fed to cave and give in. So that's the way it's set. Of course, Speaker has finally been selected, so Congress can start spending more money that they don't have, and that'll have an interesting impact. For oil, strange thing. The Biden administration, after saying they were going to buy oil in the 70 range, said it's too expensive, so they're not going to buy it. The market was counting on that as a flooring, so that could create a new upcycle for oil. It's already started back up above to 75. That could accelerate. That would be a negative if it does, and we'll see. And our expectation for gold to continue explosion, boom, doing just that. Uh, and it's just a realization that there isn't going to be any stopping of this endless deficit print. And at a certain point, they're just going to have to either erase it or devalue the currency. There's no other outcome. So it'll be interesting to see how they're going to maneuver that. I mean, yes, you can have inflation, but that works if you're like not spending anymore. You devalue it enough, and a few trillion doesn't matter as much. But if you keep adding to it, it becomes an accelerating cycle, and it never ends. Euro bouncing right back to previous levels. It was just a short midterm little hiccup when everyone realized how ugly things are in the eurozone. But needless to say, still going for it. And then I get nothing from there. It's more of the same for my other charts, waiting for the data, which never seems to come. I'll keep trying to figure that out and get it worked out. But um, for now, slight bullish tint, but we still have that white MBI leading, and as soon as that magenta fades, it'll be a pretty significant sell signal. But we got rising 0% here on the Morganacci, so the expected low return increasing daily. So we'll go from there, and we'll just keep an eye on it. As always, though, trade well. We'll talk again later.